Welcome to a groundbreaking Photoshop Composite course by PRO EDU, where the future of digital artistry comes alive. I am Hugo Ceneviva, a seasoned digital artist, and I invite you to join me as we explore the power of AI-generated backgrounds and studio photography to create ultra-real composites. In this course, I'll guide you through the captivating process of blending AI-generated backgrounds with real people photographed in the studio. We'll dive deep into the techniques and strategies that will transform your composites into lifelike visual experiences. Together, we're going to explore essential topics like lighting, perspective, and color matching. So we want to make sure that the camera height is matching the colors, the perspective. We will also delve into the artistic aspects of compositing, discussing how to choose the perfect AI-generated background to enhance your subject and convey a powerful narrative. I'll guide you in developing your creative instincts and refining your artistic vision. Whether you're a beginner or experienced artist, this course is designed to take your skills to new heights. Join me in this course, and together, let's embark on a journey to create mesmerizing, ultra-real composites that define the boundaries of imagination.